Eliana, Isabel, move, please.
Okay, now crawl back underneath your dad because he's videotaping.
I think the older we get,
That's a huge one, Eliana.
What did you get?
Can you open it some more? Rip the top. You got a Barbie car?
Illy, you can ride in that Barbie car.
Eliana, you want to take Sissy for a ride? Yeah.
Illy, you can drive in that car.
You want to take Sissy ride today, Eliana? Yeah, but I need to drive you a car.
Yeah, there's even a part where you can play Quidditch.
Eliana, did you get your own car?
Yeah.
You.
I'm driving my own car.
Go over to the other side and you can paint it off from the other side.
You asked Santa for that, didn't you?
Dad,
Yeah,
Mama, it's a special edition that includes Harry Potter. It includes the Sorcerer's Stone movie.
Are you serious?
Yeah. Yeah, the Sorcerer's Stone movie now.
Can you get it all off?
Yeah, I got my own car.
Yay!
Say thank.
I want to buy my own car.
Are you going to drive down to the park now this summer?
Yeah.
Yeah?
She said she's going to take Sissy for a ride.
It's bigger than you are.
Where'd you go?
Say
love
thank you, ho ho.
Oh,
Dad, you got me
thank
the
you,
movie
Daddy
too?
and Mommy.
That was from Ho
Oh,
Ho.
Mommy and Daddy didn't get
Say
that for
thank
you.
you.
Dad, you got me the
Mama,
movie too?
Mama needs to go get the